This is the summary created from the video, Cloud Computing Architecture Cont. The client-server model involves clients connecting to servers for data and application communication, while cloud computing aims to improve upon traditional client-server models and architectures. Unlike the single-service model of client-server, cloud computing offers complex service models like infrastructure as a service IaaS, platform as a service PaaS, and software as a service SaaS. Clouds are load-balanced, scalable, and utilize virtualization for better resource utilization. To explain these service models, let's use a transportation analogy. IaaS provides virtual servers, storage, and networks on demand for dynamic scaling, similar to renting a vehicle. PaaS offers development, deployment, and hosting services for software on a cloud platform, enabling collaboration and scalability like a transportation service. SaaS allows pay-as-you-go web-based access to software delivered over the cloud, comparable to a ride-sharing service. Software as a service SaaS provides pay-as-you-go web-based access to software delivered over the cloud, with centralized management and suitability for short-term needs. Platform as a service PaaS offers development, deployment, and hosting services for software on a cloud platform, enabling collaboration and scalability for development teams. Infrastructure as a service IaaS provides virtual servers, storage, and networks on demand for dynamic scaling, suitable for limiting capital expenditure and temporary needs, but not for stringent compliance or performance requirements. The network plays a critical role in cloud computing, enabling connectivity between resources, and network virtualization allows dynamic provisioning of network resources. Network function virtualization in FV transforms networking by virtualizing network functions. In summary, SaaS allows pay-as-you-go access to software delivered over the cloud. PaaS enables collaboration and scalability for development teams, and IaaS provides on-demand virtual servers and storage for dynamic scaling. The cloud offers scalability through load balancing, and virtualization is a core concept enabling efficient resource utilization. Additionally, network virtualization via virtual private networks (VPNs) and virtual local area (VLANs) enables dynamic provisioning of networks, a key aspect of cloud computing. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.